Want to know how to create a super simple logger in Java? So, in this 10 code writer, we are just simply creating a small logger. So, a logger is basically used to print messages with a label, so we can track what's happening inside our program. So, we have made a class called simple logger first on the first line right here, and inside it, we created a static method called log. So this takes a string message and prints it with a log prefix. This makes every output clear and easy to identify. In the main method, we just call a log multiple times right here. So under a main method, you can see performing an action, program started, and much more. So that's it. This way, instead of writing system.out.println everywhere, we just call our log method. This is super clean and usable. So I'm just going to show you by running the code. And there you go. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.